So guys, in this video I want to show you how I made my smoke machine to test for leaks in vacuum systems or intake systems or leaks in general. So what I have here is an aluminium can, those ones that you use for like a canteen, for drinking when you're exercising or riding a bike or whatever, in aluminium. So what I've done with this one was I've drilled this hole here with this adapter that I had here laying around, and added this tube. This is where the smoke will come out, up top here. Here I had the air inlet, so I can create some pressure. In this case I'm using a simple pump, as you can see. I also have a compressor, a small compressor, aerography compressor. I can use it as well, but that one worked perfectly. I used this to find a leak in a M54, a BMW M54 B25 engine, and it worked perfectly. For a smoke generator, for the smoke eater, this is a diesel engine glow plug. It's drilled and connected. I think that you might be able to see, but I'll show you as soon as it's lit. With the wires to connect it, I have here a small battery. Let's try this and see how it works. Okay, so now, like this. This is a baby oil. It works perfectly. Okay, just enough. We didn't have enough. Let's see now. Yeah. Okay, so now just let it heat a bit. Just heat up a little bit. Let me connect this here and let's try it. You see, perfect smoke machine. It works beautifully. So I had this glow plug laying around. I had this canteen laying around as well. I had these wires from speakers, good speakers, because these are thick wires. They don't get hot or anything. They can take the current. And I added this stand so I can clamp it to the table while pumping. And yeah, and this it worked beautifully. So a good machine, smoke machine, will set you back 150 to 200 euros. In dollars, I believe it's between 2 and 250. This is just a small battery I have here, but you can use the battery of the car itself. And this cost me €2.50, I guess, I believe, brand new, and I can always put some on my hands as well. So yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. This is how to make a smoke machine to detect leaks. Really helpful for me. It was. I had a severe misfire in a BMW M54 B25, and we changed the spark plugs, and the codes were about the bank 1 and bank 2 O2 sensors, both of them. I doubt that, and I tested with this smoke machine the car, and it had a huge huge leak. I fixed it and the car is running really smooth as it should, because it's a 6-cylinder engine, usually a really smooth engine to hear, and it's all around it's a really smooth idle and everything. So yeah guys, if you like it, please subscribe. Every time I have a problem I try to find a way to work around it, and so yeah, I'll be making a few more of these videos as soon as I get to the situation, and as soon as I need some tool that is expensive or that takes a lot of time to get to my country. Most of the times I just build them, you know, and I'm going to put videos of that. So yeah guys, hope you enjoy. Please subscribe, help the channel, and see you next video.